Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. It's time to update our spreadsheet. This week we did $17.75. Perfect. Let's take a look. So we are still negative 106. We're getting there. So we are no, this is pretty much what the picture still looks like, but we are completely out of Skittles. And then we have gumballs and some jelly beans. As far as notes, 2:15, 24. I found 2 nickels in the machine, but nothing was jammed. Everything was good. And that's pretty much it. All right, thanks for watching. Update your spreadsheet. Till next time. Bye. Hi, it's Miss Todoric. I just noticed on our spreadsheet we had a $30. Let me just show you. I'm going to undo right here. June 10th. I don't know how that $30 got there. So I removed it. And this is the updated. I got to take a look at the other video. So it should be negative 136.63. All right. Just check your numbers and make sure they match. Till next time. Thanks. Bye.